This video is a continuation of the last video where we have done finding last two digits. So today I will be doing it with respect to even numbers only. So even numbers 2, 4, 6 and 8, and we have left out 5 in that video. So I will be doing for 5 as well. So let's do it for 2. So 2 के लिए एक ही logic. There's one logic which is important, that is 24 into 24 is ending up with 76. Okay, but 76 into 76 ending up with 76. 24 into 76 is ending up with 24. So that's it. So this is the three important informations that we need here in order to solve all our problems. Let's have a look. So why this is so? So 2 to the power 10 is the main key issue. So which is 2 to the power, how to do it? So if you have forgotten, so 2 to the power 5 is 32. Okay. So 2 to the power 10 is 1024. That's it. So 1024 is the main key over here. So on the basis of that, now we will be proceeding. Okay. So we need to see that. So for example, 2 to the power 5, 4, 3. So first we need to go to a 10 wala division. So 2 to the power 10 and 54 and 2. There's no problem. 540 plus 3. So 5 to the power 10. So this is 1024. So 1024 whole to the power 54 and 2 cube. As I said, 24 in that way if we multiply, but even number of times. If 24 is multiplied even number of times, that is 2 times, 4 times, so it always gives you 76 as an ending. Okay, but if this 24 is multiplied odd number of times, okay, so in an odd number of structure, then the pattern changes. Then we have to work on this so that this is giving you any different value. So let's have a look. Even 24 to the power any odd also gives you this. So 24 to the power 3 also ending up with 24. Okay. So 24 any odd number of times and an even number of times is the main key over here. Okay. So now 1024 is being multiplied how many times? 54 times. So 1024 is being multiplied 54 times. So this will end up with 76 into 8. That's it. So 6 8s are 48, 7 6 are 56 and 08 is the last two digit in this expression. So isn't it easy? We can directly proceed from this. Now even if we go to any other like 4 now. So 64 to the power 236. 64 to the power 236. So this can also be expressed as a product of 2. Okay, so 64 is like 2 to the power 6 into 236. Then you can multiply 6 6 are 36 and 20 1416 1416. Okay, so now all you have to do the same thing. So let's put it like 2 to the power 10 and this is 141. So 1410 and 2 to the power 6. That's it. Easy to go from here. 2 to the power 10 is what? And you have 76. Power is odd and 2 to the power 6. So this will end up with 24. So 76, 24. Okay. So 76 into 76 is 76. 76 into 24 gives you 24. So it is easier now. So this is 64 into 24. 64 into 24. So 4 4s are 16. 4, so you don't need to do much. Just the last two digits. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8. And 6 4s are 24. So 32 as 1, 33. So it ends up with 36. It ends up with 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Your job is done. So after 4 comes in 6. After 4 comes in 6, like 56 to the power 283. For example, 56 to the power 283. So how to do it? 6 has a very magical thing. So 6 to the power anything gets you the last digit 6. So one thing for sure, this last digit is going to be 6. So we are thinking about the second last digit. Okay, so 56, so we can put it like 2 cube into 7. We can put it like 2 cube into 7 to the power 283. Not every time you will get it as a power of 2. So 2 to the power 3 into 287. So 2 to the power 3 and 283 and 7 to the power 283. So now I'm separating these two in two different ways. We'll be applying even and odd both formulas over here. So 2 to the power 3, so 3 3s are 9 and 3 8s are 24 and 3 2s are 6 and 8, 7 to the power 283. So we are resting at this place right now. So 2 to the power 849 can be done very easily. So 2 to the power 10, 84, 840, 2 to the power 9, 7 to the power 283. Okay. So 2 to the power 10 is what? 2 to the power 10 is, then you have 76 to the power an even number. So 76 to the power even. So 24 it is ending up with. So 2 to the power 10 and 76 is coming. This should be 1024. Yeah. So now here 2 to the power 10 and these two values are there. Now all you have to do is proceed with a direct answer. So give it a shot for this one, give it a try. So how to do it? So it's very easy. So 2 to the power 10 into 84. So this one will be 76 to the power 84, 2 to the power 9 and 7 to the power 283. Okay. So 76 to the power 76 into 76, every time 76 to the power this. So this will ending up with 76. First part. 2 to the power 9. Now you need to go for 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power 9 is 512, so it is only 12. Only 12. 7 to the power 283, we can go it in this side. So 7 to the power 283, 7 to the power 4 actually gives you 7 is 49. So something in here with 1. Okay. So again we need to do 49 into 49, 9 9 is 81, and 4 9 is 36, 4 9 is 36, 36, 36. 72 and plus 8, 80. So it ends up with 0 1 if it is a power of 4. So 7 to the power 4 that's it. 7 to the power 4 to the power 70. So this will be ending up with 0 1 to the power 70 into 7 cube. So 0 1 to the power 70, it doesn't matter. So 1 and 0 into this 0. So 7 is 7 cube now we are having, and 343. Okay. So answer is 343 into 0 1. So here it's a very tricky thing. Don't think it as 1. So it is like this. 343 into 1. So like 3 and 4. Okay, so this is very important. So 343 ending up with this. So this will end up with 41. Okay, so this will end up with 41, and you need to put it over here. Okay, and this into this. So this will end up with 0 1. So 0 1 will be putting over here. So 76 into 12 into 0 1. 76 into 12 into 0 1. That's the final thing, and so finally you will get as 16. So this 3 product of these three 76 into 12 into 0 1 is the part. Okay, and remember that one more thing, 7 to the power 283 is also left here. Okay, no, sorry, this is 43 here. So this is 43 ending. So 43, 76 into 12 into 43. So that will end up in, all you need to find the last digit. So here 76 into 12, 6 to the 12, 6 to the 12, and 1 in hand, 7 to the 14, 20, 21. Again 12, 12 into 43. So 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8, 12, 1. 3 to the 6, and here it is 4 to the 8, 3 1s are 3. So 11, so 16. So finally this last digit is 16. So sometimes when you can't express in terms of 2, you need to utilize 3 different segmential structure. Same thing we will be proceeding for 8. 8 is, for example, 8 to the power 516 or 5161. So this is 2 to the power 3 into 5161. So 2 to the power 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 1s are 3, 4, 3 5s are 15. So 15483, same thing. So 2 to the power 10, 15480. So it is 15480 and 2 cube. So 2 to the power 10, ending up with, here we have done 2 to the power 10, 76 to the power even, 76 to the power even, ending up with 76. And 6 8s are 48, 7 6 are 50, 56 plus 4, 0, 8. So now we know for 2, 4, 6, 8. Also in the last video 1, 3, 7, 9 and 0 we know. So the last thing left out is 5 itself. So 5 is very easy. All you need to know is that what is there in the units place and the bases units place and the powers place. That's it. For example, if I tell you the rule number to the power. Okay. This is like 1675 whole to the power 33672. So now what will be the last digit? We know the very last digit will be obviously 5. Okay. Now there is a small rule. There is a small rule that is it will be every time 25. Every time 25 except one. Except one special case. What is that special case? That special case is if the tens digit in the number is odd and the unit digit of the power is also odd. So if these two are odd, then only. Okay. If these two are odd, remember that power is last and base is second last. Powers last digit, base is second last. If both at the time is odd, then only the power is 75. For example, 199 whole to the power 997. So in this case, the last two digits will be 75. Again, very last digit here, second last digit here. In the other, all three combinations, both are even or any one of them is even or odd, doesn't matter, it will end up with 25. So that's it for the last two digit videos today. In the upcoming day, we will be talking about the expansion to finding last three digit.